it's JD and FIA. I'm going to show you how to harmonize the C major scale. All right, the C major scale is going to be all white notes. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. All right. All right, very simple. All right, first chord. We're going to play this the same way as we played the other chords in the other videos that I've done. All right, C chord. We're going to hit the G, and you're going to play a C major chord. Left hand, I got C and G. Right hand, I'm playing C and E. And if you want, you can come off the E flat to hit the E. So play the G first, like that. Next chord, just gonna walk up to the left hand, I'm playing D and A. Right hand, I'm gonna walk up from D, E to the F. All right. My 3 chord, I'm gonna play, I'm gonna hit this, first here's the chord, left hand, E. Right hand, I'm playing D, G, and C. All right, but the way I'm doing that is I'm gonna play the C first, and then I'm gonna play the rest of the chord. So play the C up top, and then hit the E, D, and G. All right, so it sounds like this. All right, hit the C again, and you're gonna play your F major 7 chord. Those notes, left hand I got F, right hand I'm playing E and A. And I also have C because I'm playing that first. C, and then play the chord. And you can come off the A flat to hit the A if you want to. So, all right. For the 5 chord, for the G, you're gonna play G, A, and B on your right hand while playing G and D on your left hand. When you get ready to go to the A, same thing. You're gonna outline it. So left hand A and E, right hand A, B, and C. All right. Then you're gonna hit the G. Probably play it like this. All right. So you're gonna play a G major chord first inversion. Left hand I have B. Right hand I'm playing a B, D, and G, but I'm gonna hit the G first and then hit the rest of the chord. The same way I did on the E, I believe. All right. Then I'm gonna play the G again, and I'm gonna play my C major chord, 7th chord. So left hand I have C, right hand I'm playing B and E, and I already have G because I played that first. And once again, you can come off the E flat to hit the E. All right, so that whole thing, I'm gonna start down here. All right, G, A, B. When you play that B, don't play the B like I told you. Left hand, you're gonna play B, but right hand, I want you to play A, D, and G instead of B, D, and G. Adds a little bit more color to it. And then you're gonna go to your C major 7 chord, same chord. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, to your C. All right, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know.